What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to disconnect this connector right here on the top of the mass airflow sensor. Just push down, pull that connector off. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp. You can slide this boot off, just slide it back. There's some clips over here. There's a clip on this side, pop that off, and then one on this side. You can use the screwdriver or you can just try to use your fingers. You pull that off, then we can slide this out. Just like that. Here's the old mass airflow sensor. Here's the new mass airflow sensor from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same, connector is the same. It's the same on the back. It's the same diameter. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you can do it yourself. When we go to install the mass airflow sensor, there is an arrow directing which way the airflow goes. So the airflow comes in through the airbox, goes through the mass airflow sensor and into the engine, into the intake manifold. So we're gonna slide this in this way. There is an O-ring on the inside of the airbox right there. So make sure that O-ring is positioned right. This O-ring is all mangled up. So keep in mind, it's a good idea to replace that O-ring if it's messed up. So we'll just slide this in position. With that pushed all the way in, and we can clip it on. Push those clips on. If you struggle with getting this on, you could pull the whole airbox off. There's just 4 clips that clip that on, and then that snorkel has to be pulled off. All right, so now we're gonna reinstall this intake tube and the worm clamp. Slide that in position. Get this lined up first. Just like that. Line it up, take a straight blade screwdriver, tighten this down. There we go. Let's just tighten it up. Take the connector, line it up, plug it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.